Hello, and welcome to the fifth in this series of short videos, demonstrating the Solibooks client and office accounting system. We've looked at postings, we've looked at adding clients and matters, and we've looked briefly at some of the reports on the system. What I'd like to do now is look at the maintenance options. For instance, how do you add a fee earner to the system? How do you add a user, etc. So to begin, let's click Maintenance and choose Fee Earner. So as you can see, the fee earner modification screen comes up, and on the left hand side in a box we have all the records that we've currently got on the system. Using the AZ button here, we can choose to order them by reference number or by name. We can click on new fee earner, which will add a new fee earner, or using the boxes on the right hand side, we can physically modify a file. So let's create a new fee earner. So I click on new fee earner. It wants the fee earner code. Now, as you can see, in this case we've used a numerical system. So 005, which would be the next one, and OK. And as you can see, the details for this file have all come up on the right hand side. So let me change this to Rogers Ron. Initials Rogers. I can drop down and choose my status. I'll be a partner salaried. And then I've got a series of fields here that I can fill in for charge rate, normal units, etc. When I've finished, I click Save, and that's now saved and added to the list. And as you can see, I can still cycle through. To modify a file, simply go onto the files, make the change you want, and click Save. And adding a new fee earner is as simple as that. As you can see on the maintenance option, we've got lots of things that we can create. A lot of them follow the style of the one we've just seen. For instance, if you want to add a department, a user, etc., they will all follow a similar style. We've already seen how to add a client and matter. A lot of the drop-down lists on the system can be accessed from here. So as I can see, if I wanted to drop it down and I wanted to add an entry to the descriptions table, directories, fran rates, etc. Basically, all of the drop-downs that appear on things like the client screens, etc., can be accessed from here simply by selecting the one you want and making the relevant change in this table. When you finish making your changes, click Save Changes and close. So that's how you change things like that. So back into maintenance, and we can see other things. For instance, the nominal account. If I choose nominal, as you can see on the left hand side again, exactly the same really as the fee earner. I can select the nominal I want to change and simply make the relevant change here. And click Save when I've done. And that would allow me to save. On time recording, if I click maintenance, as you can see, we've got activity code and charge category. Basically, activity code is the thing we're doing on the file, whereas the charge category is how much we're charging. So let me select activity code. As you can see, I have no activity codes on the system at the moment, so let me add one. And we will create one for routine letter sent. Okay, so it's the activity code, it's number 1, and the amount is 11. Let me add another one. So this would be routine letter received. So again, the routine letter received and the description is change me. Received and save it. And routine letter sent. And save. Right, so we've got 2 activity codes. So let's go into maintenance now and put a charge category in. So with no charge categories, so let's do any charge category. We'll say £150 an hour. So it's 150, so let's 150 per hour. Now, as you can see at this stage, it knows for this charge category I've got two possible activities: routine letter received and routine letter sent. So I'm just going to put an amount of 1 in each of these and save. And that's set those categories up. Alright, that's it for this short video. In the next video we'll actually do some time recording. Thank you.